As you can see, we're not in our typical area today. That's because we are currently in Utah and we are embarking on a 2,000-mile journey, if not more, to California. A little snowboard trip with the fellas. And I figured I'd document it and kind of bring you guys along, because we're gonna be doing camping, lots of driving, and lots of snowboarding. 3 things that I love, not driving. The rig's all suited up, got the rooftop tent on, as you can see. We're currently at Spencer's house, picking him up, and then we're heading to Solitude Resort to do some shredding today. Probably about 8 a.m. in the morning right now. Birds are chirping. I don't even know where we are. But we have an issue. So we mounted up our tent yesterday, and the roof racks I got for it are super tall. And I don't like that because they create so much wind drag and create so much noise, and it's terrible. So the game plan is we're gonna try to fix that by stomping on them. It'll make sense. I just gotta get up there and show you. It'll make sense soon. As you can see, those boys are way too tall. Look at that. So we're gonna try to loosen up the nuts, because they like slide. You can slide in them back and forth. So we're gonna try to stomp on it and see if it works. I don't know if it's going to though. Alright, this should work. We just loosened up those and loosened up those, and now we're just gonna step on it. Hopefully it goes down. It worked. Look how low this boy is now. It is mint. Dude, it worked. It worked? Yeah, look how low it is now. Damn. I hope the camera picks it up, but just look at that difference. That's lowered, and then that's normal. Should be a little bit of peace of mind and help us driving down the road so we're not hearing crazy wind noises. Bon appetit. Boom. Just like that, our rack is looking decent and our board is looking decent as well. Way happier about how this is set up than previously. But we're gonna get going to Solitude and have a ball. We have made it to Solitude. We're about to do some shredding.
Looking pretty mint right now, gotta say. Kind of waiting for the temps to go up a little bit, but can't complain.
Just throwing the helmet cam on from here. We're gonna do some shredding. First day out on this trip. Should be a good time. We'll see you out there on the hill. Boys, boys, boys.
Sir, let's get it.
Shout out, Matt.
Shout out, Solitude.
All right, we are on hill at Solitude. Shout out Matt for letting us stay at his crib. We're session. Boom. Park is looking decent. All right, we're gonna get session. We're still warming up a little bit, but park's pretty fun. Everything slides so good here, it's insane. Oh, traffic jam. All right, boys and girls, plan for today. I really want to cab on 3 out of that first one. And I don't know. Front board would be nice on something because I'm terrible at front boards. Like board same way, board pruts, I don't know. Kind of just getting the flow of things. It's been a long time since we rode last. But we're gonna get funky. We got this J-bar. Shout out Solitude for putting this boy in. First time riding in Utah, so this is lit. Could have had that. Did not throw it enough. Oh my God. All right, back 3. Oh my God, that was.
dose, or technically 3 of our trip. Today we're heading to Brighton. Got about a 30-minute drive up the canyon. I think we're doing some night riding today, so that'd be fun too. We'll see you up there. We're getting some shredding. It's another nice day. It's gonna be like 44 and sunny on the hill, which is insane. We have beautiful Brighton Resort today. Oh, keeping it loose. Give me that Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Freshly waxed. Ugh. Waxed up the Johnson yesterday.
Yo, you snagged my John?
She's looking Johnson-y.
I'm gonna close this in.
Choose your poison. You either take the blue pill or you take the red pill.
Red pill, red pill.
Nah. Blue pill.
Does this burn board even deserve to be up here?
Not really.
Does it even deserve to be up here?
Fuck off.
Fucking Burton board, man.
My bad, I'm not.
Gotta make sure we stay hydrated out here.
You guys wanna get a melee? Take a melee lap?
I'm down. On a milli bajillies?
Okay, yeah.
We're throwing on the helmet cam. We're getting after it. Staying live. Peace.
Oh, boys are mobbing deep. Oh! Yeah, look at this view. Oh! Sauce. Board frets. I don't know what to do on this. Board same way. Hit this John. Ah! Oh! Oh, this is a fucking... Way too far over. All right, we're trying it again. Too far over again. Try a board press. I don't really know. Switch up. Ah! Let's get vertical. Huh!
Just completed the day at Brighton. Did some night riding. Didn't film. I'll include some iPhone clips because it was proper. We're getting ready to pack up and say peace to the boys in Utah, and we're heading more west, and we will be in California tomorrow. So join us along for the festivities of a road trip.
First, 16-inch burrito.
16-inch burrito coming in soon.
Cooking up some chili. See what Drew's cooking.
Straight beef and fucking brie.
Brie?
Yeah, that's all I got. And honey on top.
Dude.
I mean, you don't have to.
I was gonna see if you guys wanted to get ice cream. I'm down.
Yeah, I'm down. We're dipping.
Appreciate you.
Peace, Dad.
Peace.
What if a cop pulls you over, you got him?
Oh my god. What's the officer problem?
You'd be like, please step out of the vehicle, sir.
Shall we get ice cream or just hit the road?
I mean,
I'm probably good on not getting ice cream.
Yeah, that's fine with me,
I'm
but
game for whatever. Do you need a gas?
No. Oh, yeah, probably.
I was just gonna get a snack from the gas station, to be honest.
I'm down for that.
the gas station.
Oh fuck, I cannot see. Alright, we're good. We're leaving. The trip's over. Going to California. Psych. We're going to the Salt Flats first. That's gonna be our camp spot for the night, so we can wake up to a beautiful view. Oh my god. And then we're gonna finish the drive to Palisades. We got an Airbnb, so we haven't camped yet. Even though the whole point of this trip was like to camp. We have not camped yet, because, you know, don't know why. Still haven't took a shower even though we haven't camped. So I smell like a ball of fungi. Fun guy, get it? Because I'm a fun guy.
And he's not the only one.
So, alright, I'm blabbing. We're going to get gas. And then we're driving to the Salt Flats, and then we're camping at the Salt Flats, and then we're waking up to a beautiful view that you're gonna see, and it's gonna be insane. Oh, you can like barely see me. Well, we have arrived at the Salt Flats, but the actual salt itself is super watery, and it's like a lake out there. So that's a no-go, sadly. But we're gonna just set up camp right at the pavement part, right outside. Should be pretty decent. Should be pretty decent. But I think this is gonna end off video 1 of this trip. I don't really know how much time we're at. That's the ish. Oh, we're set up camp. Camp's looking pretty decent. Rooftop tent. It's oh my god, that's bright. It's bedtime. It's really late, and we rode for like 10 hours today. So we're going to bed. Let's see what the boys are doing in here.
Come on in. Come on in.
Hello, Mike. MTV Tours. Alright, house tour.
This is the crib.
This is the crib. That's all you're gonna say? Give us a tour.
I mean,
You got any cards?
you can see for yourself, really. You want to see my fridge?
Sure. What kind of munchies you got in here? Damn, we got the chobani. We got butter.
Some free baby.
Baby food.
Free. From Vindicate.
Baby food.
Hey, it ain't just me.
It's gonna end off day 1, or first episode of our trip. 10 out of 10 so far. We're about to wake up to a nice view, so stay tuned for episode 2.